Thanks a lot. Hello, everyone. Just a quick question. How many people here know Apify? It's like 10%, maybe, not too bad. All right. So we started years ago as a web scraping platform for developers, right? But it turns out that like you can't really like build scrapers for all websites. Like there's just so many websites in the world, and we can't build it ourselves. So we open up a marketplace of these scrapers. Actually, we call them actors. And like over time, like we and our community built like more than 8,000 of them, right? For all kinds of use cases. We have scrapers for social media sites, for search engines, online maps, for hospitality sites, booking portals, and data for AI, obviously, right? And I'll show you a quick demo how it works, right? So for example, here, there's like a actor for called Google Maps Scraper, right? So just come here. Let's say I'm looking for Greek restaurants around San Francisco, Soma district, and I click start. And now the scraper runs on our servers, right? And in just like a few seconds, you'll get like first data, right? Structured data from Google Maps that you can use actually for lead generation or for booking a dinner, right? So this is how it looks. I'll show it as a JSON, right? And you can see like this is like restaurants, and with the links, ratings, and so on, right? So we have like 8,000 of tools like that. And actually, it turns out web scraping is actually very useful for AI, right? All the large language models have been trained on data scraped from the web, but you also need to provide the models with up-to-date context. And web is the largest source of it, right? Because when you train the model, it only knows what it has seen, but the world like change and also it hallucinates, right? So it's really the combination of the model and the right context and tools that make the models like really powerful, right? So obviously, in Apify, we actually built integrations with like all the large LLM tools, and so we have integrations. Actually, we are I think the first scraping platform with integration with LangChain, integrations with like Crew AI, Llama Index, and all the others. And obviously, with our MCP server, right? So you just go to mcp.apify.com. You just like see this like web interface where you can for example, select the actors that you want to use. But actually, MCP has like this amazing feature. It's called like dynamic tool discovery, right? So basically, you can start with like list of tools, and over time, the MCP server, the MCP client discovers like more tools and adds them to the context. And this way, you can progressively actually find new tools to use. And actually, this is like I would say the killer feature of MCP compared to like previous Open API function calling, right? So let's see how it works. This is like I'll just leave the basic settings here. All right, and let's try it here. So in VS Code, one-click install the VS Code. Let's see if it works. All right. Let's see what happens here. Okay, this didn't quite work. Sorry. Live demos, right? Oh, install. Here we go. All right. Allow, authenticate, open. I need to go through OAuth, obviously. Allow access, and here we go. And now I'll try. Actually, I'll have to shout. Do you hear me? Mm-hmm. Is there any Apify actor for Google App scraping? Let's see. So now, I don't know if you can really see it. It's very small. Let me just increase it a little bit. Here we go. Display. Here we go. Right. Is it better? All right. So now, it's called like search actor tool on our MCP server, and it like lists like 3 actors for scraping Google Maps, right? So I'll be like, okay, let's use the first one to find Greek restaurants in Soma SF. Let's use the first one to find Greek restaurants in Soma SF. Okay, I'll use Google Maps Scraper to find Greek restaurants in Soma. Allow. Actually, at first, like it's actually using different actor. It gets a bit confused, but I think it will actually recover and use the right one. Obviously, this is sometimes a bit of magic. All right. So it returns something. Oh, I noticed I used the wrong actor. Yes, you did. So now it's actually calling. It's actually using the call actor tool. It's calls like the right actor. Allow, and now it's. Let's see what's doing here. Okay, it's calling the actor for shaping Google Maps with Greek restaurant as a search term. Soma San Francisco. That looks all right. All right, and now. All right, results. Perfect. Highest rated North Beach Gyros. Actually, I'm living in North Beach. That's good. Cool. Okay, so this way, actually, you can get like access to these 8,000 tools through LLMs, like through our MCP server, and really like we have like tools for all kinds of things, and like really like LLMs are like brains, and brains need like hands, eyes, and ears to be useful, right? And this is why like LLMs need tools to actually any useful work, right? So go and check it out. And if you can, please give a star to our MCP server, because GitHub is actually using it for ranking in the GitHub MCP repos page, right? So the more we have, the better. And I have actually one thing I wanted to share, if I have time. I actually mentioned that like most of the actors in our store are published by a community. Actually, just last month we paid like more than $500,000 to our creators, as a payout, for usage of their actors, right? And actually, just last week, we launched like a new challenge, and actually it's called Apify $1 million challenge. And actually, we committed like to give over the next 3 months $1 million to creators actually who build like new valuable actors, right? While historically most of the actors were actually for web scraping and data extraction, like over time, like we're bringing more new use cases to Apify store, like AI agents, actually MCP servers. We can actually monetize MCP servers through Apify store and so on. So we have like grant prizes, and actually we'll pay to like up to $2,000 per one actor published in store. You can do like 5 of them, so it's like $10,000, and this is judged purely on the usage, no like subjective criteria, right? So please check it out, and yeah, let's build new actors.